Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. Today, we're going to take a look at the beautiful garden. The Monarda, looking very tall. Okay, those dahlias are jumping right out of their skin. Got the lavender, lone zinnia here. Lavender, another dahlia. A German thyme. I forget what these are called. Somebody tell me. Catnip. Tomatoes looking good. I Dracula'd the garden recently. And then of course I got some dill coming up here, some lavender actually. They're mystery plants, and then Tarragon looking very nice. Down to some melanzane eggplants, basil, and a couple of tomatoes that are left. I'll give you the beautiful view we'd like to see. Some marigolds looking good. Here, I'm going to give you the far view. And then we'll come in. Tomatoes jumping up good. Electro-Culture in full bloom. The three sisters here. Pole beans starting to climb up there. Oh, climb up here too. Corn's starting to look a little better. Got those nice cucumbers down there. White spine cucumbers. These are jumping up good. Peppers, not very growing big, but getting lots of flowers on them for sure. And then of course the rugosa, the Italian oregano, comfrey starting to flower. One of our other lone zucchinis. This gigantic thing here, which is oh, I'm gonna have to start cutting through the roof here for this. And our wonderful, beautiful baby. Look at that thing. Getting big. Okay. And of course, Electro-Culture in full bloom. You know the act. The antenna doused to perfection. The engine. And all the resonators. There, and there. All right. Get chiming. Beautiful garden and your labor of love just loves to give back to you the genius of chlorophyll. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.